Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Fidelity Roth IRA. First, confirm you meet the income requirements, as these can affect your eligibility. Next, understand the annual contribution limits to plan your savings effectively. Finally, gather essential personal details like your Social Security number and employer information before you begin the application process. To open your account, navigate to Fidelity's website and select the option to open a new account. Choose the Roth IRA from the available account types. You will then complete a secure online application, providing details such as your address, employment status, and beneficiary information. This step is straightforward and guides you through each section. Once your account is open, you'll need to fund it. You can transfer funds from a bank account, roll over an existing IRA, or contribute directly. Next, select your investments. Fidelity offers various options, including mutual funds, ETF, and individual stocks. Consider setting up automatic contributions to consistently grow your retirement savings over time. Once your Roth IRA is established, regularly review your investment performance to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Familiarize yourself with the rules for qualified withdrawals to avoid any penalties or taxes in retirement. Remember, your Roth IRA offers tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement, making it a powerful savings tool. Also, for an easy way to manage your meals, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.